So today I'm talking to you guys. I'm doing an unboxing today of this Riovarm cookware granite set. It's actually the skillet, and this is a 9.5-inch skillet. And let me read you the specifications. It has die-cast aluminum. The exterior is heat-resistant coating, and the interior is a marble non-stick coating, and it has a transparent glass lid, which you can rest your spoon on. And this is really going to be a great addition to my cookware. Right here you have your glass lid, and you can see it's really nice, thick glass with a little vent hole in it right here. It's got a spoon rest on the top. Right here is your skillet itself, and the inside feels really, really nice. It's a complete non-stick. Not sure yet if it needs to be treated. This is where you're going to add your handle right here. I'll explain that in a moment. And on the back, you can see the aluminum on the back here with even heat distribution. Also, here is your handle, and also it comes with a screwdriver, very solid screwdriver to screw this in. So I hope you guys have a great day. I'm going to put this to the test this week, so stay tuned. My next video is going to be me cooking a lot of food items in this great skillet. So I hope you guys have a great day. It's from Riovarm, a granite skillet, and 9.5 inches. And you guys have a great day, and be safe out there, be kind, and share a smile. It just might make someone's day.